Hello there everybody, today we're going to introduce you to the Oukitel WP6. So this is a new rugged phone and it's new to the UK. Inside the box you get the normal warranty certificate and a quick startup manual showing you what the phone does. We've also got a UK charger, which is very handy, and a headset there, which is the 3.5 jack plug. We have got a USB micro connector there, and we've also got a USB micro for data transfer. So the handset itself, wow, so this is a handset. Oh, and the reason being, it's a 10,000 milliamp battery. So it's quite a beast of a phone. I'd say this is a real workhorse. If you wanted a phone to last you days and days, this is the phone for you. So let me take the screen protector off instead of going through all the specs, and I can actually start it up. So I can see at the side, as I go to power it up, we have got a fingerprint scanner on the back, well, on the side instead of on the back. If we look at the camera, it's actually got a triple camera, and one of those cameras is a 48 megapixel camera as well. So that is a big phone. The reason being, 6.3 full HD screen with Gorilla Glass. So it is toughened glass. It's not unbreakable, but it is toughened. What else about this handset can I tell you? It's completely waterproof, IP68. And it also is mil spec as well, which is a drop test. So if you drop it, it's been tested up to 1.2 meters. So according to the manufacturers, if you drop it, it's not going to break. But nobody manufactures a phone to be unbreakable, so they don't cover it. Same as all the phones, it's not covered if there is any physical damage to the phone. It's only manufacturer's warranty for defects. Chipset on the phone. So the chipset is a Helio P70, which is an octa-core. There's a lot of memory in this handset as well. So we've got a 6 gig on board and a 128 gig of ROM as well. That is quite a phone. The phone is running Android 9, and it's pure Android 9. Pretty much these days, all the Androids are without bloatware, so you get what just comes on the phone. Used to get phones with loads of apps and rubbish on them. Pretty much Google have tightened that up, so you have to have just what comes with it. Back to that camera. So as you can see, there is actually a few cameras on there, so it's a triple camera. One is a 48 megapixel one, I don't know which one. The other one is a 5 and the other one is a 2. It has a flashlight. The one facing is a 16 megapixel camera, so a really strong front facing camera as well. It's got a G sensor, proximity sensor, gyroscope, all those kind of things in the phone as well. One of the things that you do notice about this handset is the build quality. It feels very, very good. It feels like it's going to last and not let you down. I'm not going to drop it, but yes, it's a great phone. Very good. That's the Oukitel WP6.